they've seen the best of Virat Kohli going back to 2014. Like I said, Sachin, Dravid, Lakshman, Ganguly, Sehwag, सब थे. उनका आखिरी वो था वो tour. Sorry, Sehwag was already dropped. Sorry, Murli Vijay था. But to see this young guy who on the one hand can give the finger, also he got 100 in Adelaide, was it, or some? मुझे याद नहीं उनका पहला 100 कहाँ था. But वही है 4-0 and this young guy with bushy eyebrows and a loud mouth, he scores 100. Chalo bhai, kuch to hai usme. So they just like to see. It's not just like I said. I mean, VVS Lakshman, Sachin Tendulkar, Virender Sehwag got a lot of love there when he got that 150 in one of those matches also. तो आप perform करते हो, आप इनका दिल जीत लोगे तो. लेकिन क्योंकि इसने विराट कोहली ने और सचिन ने बार-बार किया था. I think you had the stats. Sachin had 1800 runs. These two guys, despite being poles apart as individuals, पिच के ऊपर आप बैट्समैन हो, आप बाउंसर ले लो, आप थोड़ा गाली गलौज सुन लो, लेकिन जब आपका बल्ला बोलता है ना, विराट कोहली, दैट शॉट ऑफ मिचेल जॉनसन, चुप कर दिया जॉनसन को यार. तो Australians love these performers.
Yeah, absolutely. And the fights, you can see on your screen the fights that Virat Kohli had with the Australian players, and that's what Mitchell Johnson recently said in his statement that we were used to giving all these things. This is the first time we received something to wo Australian spirit dikhi. But Jamie, Virat has just said that according to him, for him personally, the Perth 100 is his best knock on Australian soil. For you, amongst many hundreds that he has scored in Australia, which is that one knock that has impressed you the most?
No, I mean, again, Virat Kohli. So what he says, I'm no one to go against it. I watched that whole test. It was a brilliant test. India lost that match, but he was. Yeah. I mean, एक straight drive मारा था. मुझे याद नहीं है शायद Josh Hazelwood. I mean, it was a fantastic shot. So you could see कि यार Perth कभी नहीं गया वहाँ पे. अच्छे खासे बैट्समैन की दिक्कत हुई है वहाँ पे. So he stood up. But again, then I go back to that 15 test at Adelaide where, twin hundreds. Chalo, bowling थोड़ी कमजोर थी, flat track था, but to announce yourself after averaging 11 in England, लोग कह रहे भाई ये सिर्फ white ball player है. He said mental issues, all that stuff. He said I had gone to hell and back. For me personally, to come back and see him show the spark of हाँ ये टीम में बदलाव आ सकता है. मैं धोनी जैसा प्लेयर नहीं हूँ जो ड्रॉ से सेटल करेगा. It was an early indication that this guy was here to to play serious cricket. So Perth individually was, yes, he's right, probably the toughest. But yeah, that 14-15 series to score 200s and tell the team hum 360 chase kar sakte hain. For me, that will probably 5% stand out more.